Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 10, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 10, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 10, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 10, 2025, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, March 10, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of March 10, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result updates.